Hello everyone. I hope you all are fit and fine. Welcome back to our e-class of mathematics. Today we are going to start with the topic money. How to use them and where to use them. I am Anukriti Gupta, your mathematics teacher. Will be guiding you for the same. Let's begin with today's topic now. We will start with a simple question. What is money? Students, money is used to buy different things such as toys, food, clothes, or vehicles. Money is also used to get services from experts like gardener, doctor. Anywhere if you go and if you want to avail any service, you have to pay for that, and the amount we pay is known as money. Let us now have a look at variety of money. Have a note, students, that in India, money we use is called rupee. Money is used globally. So in India, we use rupee. It is also known as Indian rupee. This money we cannot use outside India. That currency will be changed. Let us now study about the types of rupees, that is notes or coins in India. Students, now we will study the different types of notes or coins. This is a picture of 50 paise. These were used earlier. You cannot see them in market now. You might have these at your home as a collection, but these are not in circulation. 50 paise plus 50 paise always make 1 rupee. We will be studying detailed information about these addition of money in next class. Here you can see two pictures. The first picture is of 1 rupee coin. You can see it at your home also. Next picture is of 5 rupee coin, which is golden in color and also comes in silver shade. You can see it in both silver and golden color. Let's move ahead for the different note or coin type. This is a 10 rupee coin. You can see it from front and back both. Next picture is of 10 rupee note. A note and a coin has the same value because they have 10 written on it. Same amount has the same value. If you want a 10 rupee chocolate, you can either give 10 rupee coin or a 10 rupee note and you will get the chocolate. The only difference between both is one is made up of solid metal and the another one is of paper. That is the basic difference between a coin and a note. Now we have all the notes further. We are not having any coin above 10 rupees. Let's study further notes. Here is a 20 rupee note. This is the new version or the new color note. Earlier this used to come in different color, which is quite orangish. You can use both the notes. Next is 100 rupee note, which is purple or blue in color. Also this note come in light blue color, which is the old version. The value of both the versions are same. You can use any of them. Children, I will show you the older version of the notes in the next class. Let us now study more about notes. This is a 200 rupee note. It has a more value than a 100 rupee note. 200 rupees note is equal to 200. Like we add, we can also calculate in money. So we will be learning about addition or subtraction of money in our next class. In our today's class, we will only study about the types of notes and the kinds of use and versions. The below image is of 500 rupee note. Students, we will only learn till 500. Further notes will be discussed in our further classes. Till now, we have learned about 1 rupee, 50 paise, 5 rupees, 10 rupees, 20 rupees, 100 rupees, 200 rupees and 500 rupees. You can go through the video again to identify the types of notes and coins. You can also go to your mother or father and ask you to show the same kind of notes or coins to you. Children, do not ever play with notes or coins. They are very much valuable for all of us. Now let us move to the exercise part. So students, here we come to the exercise work. You can open your textbooks now. Page number 70, and we will be doing our exercise. The question is fill in. A part. 50 paise plus 50 paise equals to 100 paise. Students, always remember that paise together will make 100 paise and 50 paise plus 50 paise will always make 1 rupee. If the question has paise in it, then you have to write 100, and if a question has rupee in it, you have to write 1. C part. 1 rupee plus 1 rupee equals to 2 rupees. D part. 1 rupee plus 2 rupees equals to 3 rupees. E part. 2 rupees plus 2 rupees equals to how many rupees? Yes, 4 rupees. You can write it down in your textbooks. F part. 2 rupees plus 5 rupees equals to, you can add both of them, 5 plus 2 equals to 7 rupees. G part. 5 rupees plus 5 rupees equals to 10 rupees. So we have done the exercise till A to G on page number 70. You have to complete H, I, J, K, L, M and N part on page number 70 by yourself. In the next class, we will be verifying the answers. Now, page number 71. On page number 71, we have similar type of questions. A part. 100 paise equals to dash paise plus 50 paise. So, just now we studied that 100 paise will make 50 plus 50. So here 50 paise plus 50 paise. B part. 1 rupee equals to how many paise? 50 plus 50 paise. Because it is written paise, so we have written 50. C part. 4 rupees equals to 2 rupees plus 2 rupees. If I am giving you 4 rupees and you gave 2 rupees to your friend, how many are left with you? So it will be 2. D part. 10 rupees equals to 5 rupees plus 5 rupees. E part. 60 rupees equals to 50 rupees plus dash rupees. I gave you 60 rupees and you gave 50 rupees to your mother. How many left? 10. F part. 21 rupees equals to dash rupee plus 1 rupee. 20 rupees. 20 plus 1 equals to 21. G part. 52 rupees equals to dash rupees plus 2 rupees. 50 rupees plus 2 rupees. So we have completed page number 71 also. Now we come to page number 72. Money sums. Students, you can see many objects are drawn along with their price. I will read it out for you. Crayons 10 rupees, eraser 3 rupees, chocolate 15 rupees, chips 22 rupees, ice cream 20 rupees, toy car 46 rupees, book 51 rupees, jam 64 rupees. Now we have questions like ice cream and eraser. So we have to add the price of ice cream and eraser. We will search for ice cream. Ice cream is of 20 rupees. So we have written 20 rupees plus eraser. Find out the price for eraser. 3 rupees plus 3 rupees. We will add them both and which will come out as 23 rupees. C part. Chips and jam. We have 22 rupees for chips plus 64 rupees for jam, which will turn out as 86 rupees in total. Students, you will try D, E and F part by yourself. We will be rectifying and verifying the answers in our next class. Homework section. Now your homework is you will complete the sums on page number 71, which is from H part to N part and A part to G part. And on page number 72, you will complete money sums D, E and F part. I repeat, on page number 70 and 71, you will complete the remaining questions. And on page number 72, you will complete D, E and F part. If you find it difficult, you may try and you may leave it for the later session. I will be verifying the answers with you. Thank you.